before we do that, I want to talk about what identifiers are, because when you are presented some data, it'll give you all these things, okay, and then they'll probably ask you which are categorical variables, which are quantitative variables. But there is sometimes an identifier, which isn't really either. It isn't categorical and it isn't quantitative. But an identifier is really a label for the individual of interest. And I will give you an example of what that is. It could be a name, it could be a number that represents each kind of car, whatever. One of these didn't count as categorical or quantitative. Did you figure out which one it was? I hope you did, because the answer is reservation ID. The reservation ID was not an actual variable we were collecting, right? This is not categorical. And this is not quantitative. If you took all those numbers and took an average of them, it gives you what, the average reservation ID number? No, that reservation ID number is just telling you, all right, this is that trip. This reservation number is the next trip. This reservation number is the third trip, right? So those are all just identifiers, which is something that we did cover in the page before. Identifier, okay? So are the reservation IDs. So it doesn't count